everyone, it's Dr. Patel, and I'm here to talk about acupuncture and chiropractic care, two evidence-based therapies that address multifaceted conditions like fibromyalgia, migraines, chronic neck pain, arthritis, TMJ disorders, headaches, muscle tightness, allergies, and stress dominance, and how the two play together. So acupuncture stimulates specific points on the body, and that helps enhance the body's natural blood flow, helps release endorphins, reduce inflammation, and that directly modulates pain pathways. And then chiropractic care will help correct the biomechanical dysfunction, such as spinal and joint misalignments. It'll optimize your nervous system. It will reduce physical strain and restore mobility. And so together, these therapies are going to provide a holistic and complementary approach that will address the physical and neurological aspects of chronic conditions. So for example, in fibromyalgia, the acupuncture will reduce the widespread pain and the fatigue. And that's because it'll promote release of the natural analgesics and it'll balance the stress hormones. And then the chiropractic side of that will be that the adjustments will address musculoskeletal dysfunctions and alleviate any kind of physical tension. For patients with migraines and headaches, whether it's something you've dealt with for 10 years or 10 days, it's very beneficial to do acupuncture because of the ability to relax the vascular tension and reduce the neural activity so it can calm you down. And then the chiropractic part, the cervical misalignments and the biomechanical stress can be relieved. That usually will exacerbate symptoms. And then things like chronic neck pain and muscle tightness, those can be alleviated through acupuncture's anti-inflammatory effects, and that'll also help improve circulation to tight tissues. And then chiropractic adjustments will help restore the joint alignment, and that'll help relieve a lot of mechanical stress on the muscles. For a condition like arthritis, anywhere in the body really, acupuncture will reduce the joint inflammation and the stiffness because it will modulate the inflammatory pathways, while the chiropractic care will enhance the joint mobility and decrease strain on the tissues around those joints. For patients with TMJ disorders, acupuncture reduces the jaw pain and the muscle tension, and it'll help improve circulation and relax the overused and hyperactive musculature. And then the chiropractic care part of it will help correct misalignments in the TMJ joint itself, and in the cervical spine that's connected to the TMJ, and that will help improve function. Acupuncture is very good for helping allergies too, to help alleviate congestion. And then the chiropractic care will support the nervous system communication that goes on in the body. And then for things like stress dominance, acupuncture will lower cortisol levels and promote relaxation, and it will complement the chiropractic adjustments and other care that you receive in the realm of chiropractic to help reduce spinal tension and support nervous system balance. So the combined therapies don't only alleviate the symptoms that you feel, but it enhances the body's natural ability to heal itself and regulate. So it makes acupuncture and chiropractic very effective for chronic overlapping conditions.